First you download this one. Okay. After download, going to extract it. After extract, just you open this too and click this one. Create the scroll and then go to import it, the database. After import it, now you can start the upload. So okay. Can keep this. Alright, so like this. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to upload it. Open host, video upload, and let us see now. This is empty. This is also empty. Let us upload. This one is deleted. I'm going to upload any video now, like this one. Upload it. So upload going on. Now it's upload successfully. This is the video which is I upload. So we can play now. Play the video. Look at. So this one video is already uploaded, and second video I'm gonna to upload. Alright. I'm going to the back here. So after back, I'm going to upload. This one should be 2 uploading. Looking small quantity. Alright, this one being uploaded. Upload successfully. Now we have 2 video here. So let me click this. Okay, it's working fine, guys. So enjoy. In a minute you have the video uploading script. It's very simple. Only 2 for applying, like this is for the video uploader, and for this okay, and this one, right, and this is the list name, like you can see if you back here, this is the one, and when you click it will be going to the view. This is the view and this is the back. We can try now. This is the, when click now, this is the back, same. So okay guys, this one very good and working fine. Let me upload. This is like how many MB? 57 MB. Can I upload? Okay, it's 57 MB uploaded. Can we see the video is 3 now? Okay, can we play?
No.
See, it's working fine, guys.
Yes, you.
Okay, enjoy, happy coding, and just get this from somewhere so you can creating your project. Maybe you need to upload video project. Thank you very much.